Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to reduce screen brightness on Fitbit Charge 6. So let's get started with a straight and quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do, which is the step 1, is to wake up the screen or the device. So to do this, tap the screen or press the side button to wake your Fitbit Charge 6. Then on step 2, you have to open the quick settings. So to do this, swipe down twice from the top of the screen to access the quick setting menu. Then on the step 3, you have to adjust the brightness. So tap the brightness icon, which is a sun symbol, then tap again to circle through the auto, normal, or dim. Then choose dim to reduce the brightness manually, and also choose auto to let the device adjust brightness based on the lighting. And that's how you can simply reduce brightness on Fitbit Charge 6. Find it very helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.